Hey guys, so new tutorial. First things first, excuse my voice, I'm sick, but y'all know I only have certain days set aside to film, so I had to get stuff filmed today, okay? So apologies for the raspiness. It's kind of sexy, yeah, no, maybe, okay. Anyways, before I get into everything, make sure you subscribe, like already, because you see what the look is going to look like, right? So go ahead and like the video. And I did want to let y'all know I have a blog. I'm going to be doing some exclusive content, so please go down below in the description box and sign up for my email list so that you can be notified of when that exclusive stuff is coming out, okay? But this look was basically inspired by my nails. I'm addicted to press-on nails. I did a whole Instagram story about it, and I actually just won some new press-on nails from LA Colors, which is kind of awesome. So I think Jesus doesn't want me to be saved right now from the nail struggle, so I'm just gonna go with it, right? So this look inspired by my nails and spring. Honestly, I'm just ready for spring to come. Y'all know I live in Houston, so the warmer temperatures are here. It's rodeo time in Houston, so that basically signifies that spring is sprung. So I wanted to throw spring all up on my face, right? So hopefully you enjoy this tutorial, and everything I use is going to be down in the description box, of course. It is going to be a voiceover, so apologies again for the voice, but I don't like videos that only label what they use, because I listen to videos more than I actually watch them. So I wouldn't want myself to watch a video that's just labels, right? So apologies, but hope you enjoy, and I will talk to you guys later. Bye.
Alright guys, so to start, I'm going with Milani's eyeshadow primer. This is what I use to prime my eye. I'm trying to use up some of my stash, so this one. And then for my base, I'm using Smashbox lid primer in white. This was my first time using it. Never picked it up before, but it was at my local Marshall's, so I decided to pick it up and see what it was about. I would typically use something like a, NYX jumbo pencil, but yeah, this is what I ended up using, and I'm just going to kind of rub it out and make it even so that I can lay the colors down. Next, I'm going in with Madrid from Suva, SUVA Beauty, and this is my all-time favorite transition color. I love it. I'm taking it on a very fluffy big brush, and the way I like to do my transitions whenever I do colorful eyes, I like to have them all up in my crease. 2 AM from Sugarpill is the first color that I'm going to put down. It's a lighter purple, and I'm taking that on a crease brush and just placing that in my crease, directly in my crease, right below where I put most of the transition color. And then going back with the brush that I had Madrid on, my transition color, and just kind of blending and melding. Y'all know how it is. We blend, we place, we blend, we place. This is what we do when we put on eyeshadow. Don't mind my fingers. I'm actually going to go in with Dollipop, which is that bright pink right there, and using the same brush I used the previous color, 2 AM, and I'm just placing that directly on top of the 2 AM color and just blending it in. And this is a brush that's kind of like 227 from MAC. It's one of those flatter shader brushes. And then this color is called Tiffany from JD Glow, and it actually matches my nails perfectly, y'all. I didn't notice that until I was actually editing, and I was like, whoa, it matches exactly. But it is a matte kind of mint green. I guess Tiffany green is, I guess that's the perfect name for it. And what I'm doing, I'm placing it on my lid and I'm kind of carving out my crease with that. So not your traditional, I say traditional, but doing cut creases with concealer is kind of a newer type thing. But just kind of rounding out that crease and trying to cut it without placing concealer down, okay? Then I'm taking the brush that I had Dollipop and 2am on and just kind of blending that to make sure that there's a good blend, and then going back with the Tiffany color and just making sure it kind of cuts, but it doesn't cut too harshly, if that makes sense. I still want a good blend in the crease. I hope that makes sense, y'all. Then next, I'm going in with this color called Prismatic. It's one of their JD Glow's medallion. It's probably medallion shadows, super packed with glitter. Don't do what I did. Please use a glitter glue or, you know, a glitter base, something like that. It has a base color to it, so you did see like that greenish base color to it, but it does have a lot of glitter. And next time I use one of these shadows, I will be using a glitter base because I believe that it will help it, first of all, stick better. I mean, it stuck fine, but it did kind of transfer. And y'all know, if I don't want glitter somewhere, I don't want it. I want it only where I put it. So yeah. Then for my base, I'm going to put some of Melanie Mills Bronze Gold down. Y'all know I'm trying to finish some of this stuff, so. And I'm using my big old sponge that I talked about in my favorites to place it down. I like the Melanie Mills stuff. Since, you know, this was kind of spring inspired, I'm trying to glow. This is a corrector concoction I made from Studio Tech concealer and Lancome's concealer. Y'all know I'm always trying to find the perfect color corrector that has the good amount of orange but enough brown so it's not too orange. So that's what I'm using right now. Next, I'm gonna mix MAC Studio Fix with Estee Lauder Doublewear. Honestly, they're almost the same formula in my opinion. And then I'm adding a little bit of JD Glow's liquid highlighter in it, and can't remember the name, it'll be down in the description box. But using these two foundations because I'm trying to finish stuff and these two are on their last leg, and so I figured I would mix them. The NC50 from MAC is a little orange and the Estee Lauder is my perfect color, so I figured it would kind of even out. It doesn't look like it yet, but it will. And then I'm going in with what is this, Makeup Revolution's new concealers. This is probably my second time using them in this video. I've used them a few more times. I will do a review most likely on the blog, but I don't know. They say it's a Shape Tape dupe. I do not think that. The colors for me are weird. I don't like them that much, but you're gonna see me. Yeah, you see I had to add this other color, and I'll list the colors I used down in the description box because I can't remember and I don't have them in front of me right now. But I'm just blending that out the typical way that I usually do my face. Y'all have seen this a million times. But since the color was so off, I did go back through with the same sponge that I used to put my foundation down and kind of even it out. And then I'm going in with Fashion Fair's golden powder. Y'all know it's Bay. If you haven't seen my favorites video, please go watch it. I explained my love of this powder. It is Bay. It is Bay. in with this Colourpop pencil. Again, name will be down in the description box, and I'm putting it in my waterline. I love Colourpop's colored gel liners. Maybe they're not gel liners. Anyways, they're eye pencils. I love them. They stay in the waterline all day, and this one was super light, so super minty and light. That's why I decided to use it. So I'm taking Poison Plum and Dollipop, and I'm just placing those on my lower lash line and smoking it out. Y'all know I have liked to bring the colors underneath my eye a bit lower, almost down into the creasy parts of my eyes. I think it kind of camouflages all the creases I have. I'm getting old, y'all. I'm getting real old. But I'm using that same brush that I put in my crease. I wish I knew what the brand was. And then for my inner corner, I'm using Buttercup. Ooh, I hope that's the name. Buttercup cake. Anyways, on a pencil brush and placing that down in my tear duct area. I wanted to do this because I like the way mint and yellow look together, or this Tiffany kind of color look together, and yeah, I like the pop of color. And ooh, my lighting changed. I look super orange right here. And I'm putting Danessa Myricks Color Fix down as a base because the Buttercup cake wasn't giving me enough yellow. So I put that down on top of one of the powders that I already had down. And then I'm just going back and kind of putting it down with a fluffier brush to blend it all up in that tear duct area. And then to contour, y'all know Teak from Fashion Fair, Bay. And I'm taking it on an angled brush. I'm kind of swiping my brush on it and then taking the brush and putting down the contour. I love this contour, y'all. Like, it is everything to me. Like, y'all know I get stuck on stuff. I think I'm going to be using this contour like crazy. Alright, and for bronzer, I'm using Fashion Fair Sable. I promise I'm not going to use the same stuff every video. But y'all, I'm loving this Fashion Fair stuff. I'm loving it. And then I used Danessa Myricks number 4 powder to press all over my face. I'm not sure why I didn't show it. And then for blush, I'm going to use a mix of the orange and the pink blush from the Saharan Volume 2 palette from Juvias Place. And I love the way these two look together. And then for highlighter, I'm going to use Becca Topaz, again, a product that I'm trying to pan this year. I'm back on my panning mission, y'all. I'm back. I'm trying to use these products up. And I'm lining my lips with a kind of reddy, kind of pinky, maybe fuchsia. Fuchsia is a good color to call it. This is just some pencils, nabby pencils I got off of Amazon. I don't spend a lot on lip liners, y'all. It's not necessary, it's lips. It's gonna come off. And then I'm going in with this Makeup Forever lipstick. I will put the number down in the description box. But it's a hot pink. And then I'm going over with a Lime Crime gloss, and I'll put the name down in the description box again. I want to say it's like Cherry Cola, something like that, but I'll put the name in the description box. And then make it dewy because I'm trying to use it up. Spray it down, and then of course fan it. My sprayer is messed up on this, so yeah, that's why it looked like I sprayed so much, but like half of it wasn't getting on my face.
Alright guys, I hope you enjoyed the look. Be sure to subscribe, like, comment, and as always, thank you for watching, and I will talk to y'all later.